If you want to change the language to English in Adobe Photoshop, this video will walk you through the official and safest method, step by step. Whether your Photoshop is showing another language, or you simply want to switch everything over to English for a cleaner workflow, this guide will help you do it the right way. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Adobe and software tutorials just like this. Now let's jump in. The best method is to use the official Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app, because that gives you access to the proper language pack directly from Adobe. First, make sure Photoshop is completely closed. This is important because language changes won't apply properly if the app is still running in the background, so close Photoshop fully before you continue. Next, open the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop application on your computer. Once it opens, look in the top right corner for your profile icon, which usually appears as a circle. Click that icon, and from the menu that appears, choose Preferences. This will open the main settings area for Creative Cloud. Inside the Preferences window, look at the left sidebar and click on Apps. This section controls app installation settings, and it's where you can change the default language for Adobe apps. Now scroll down until you find the Installing section. In that section, you should see a drop-down menu called Default Install Language. Click that drop-down and change it to English. Depending on your region, you may see options like English International or English North America. Choose the version that works best for you, and then click Done to save the changes. This setting tells Creative Cloud to install English by default the next time Photoshop is installed or repaired. Now go back to your All Apps list inside Creative Cloud. Find Photoshop in the list. If Photoshop is currently locked to the old language, click the three dots next to the Open button. From there, you can choose Uninstall if needed, or simply reinstall the app if the language pack needs to be refreshed. Because your default install language is now set to English, Creative Cloud will download the English version automatically. Once the installation is complete, open Photoshop again. Now we need to activate the language inside the app itself. On Windows, go to Edit, then Preferences, and then Interface. If you are on a Mac, the menu location may appear slightly differently depending on your system settings, but the interface preferences are still where you want to go. At the very bottom of the interface window, look for the UI Language drop-down menu. Click it and select English. Then click OK to confirm the change. This is the final step inside Photoshop, and it ensures the interface switches over properly. After that, restart Photoshop so the new language setting can fully apply. When Photoshop opens again, the menus, labels, and interface should now appear in English. If it doesn't change immediately, just double-check that Creative Cloud is set to English and that Photoshop was fully reinstalled or refreshed correctly. And that's it. You've now changed the language to English in Adobe Photoshop using the official Creative Cloud method. It's the safest way, it's straightforward, and it helps make sure Photoshop is installed with the right language pack from Adobe itself. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with any other Photoshop settings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.